We're very much about improving patient safety. All of our technologies are driven towards that end, creating opportunities for clinicians, medical professionals to practice in a safe environment. For ourselves, we're very much driven by physiology. One of the things unique to CAE is our CAE advantage. We're very much focused on that holistic learner journey. The technologies and solutions we develop for clients are physiological based. We have a computer model that creates as realistic an experience as possible, freeing up educators to engage with their learners rather than controlling every individual vital sign. Through all of our solutions, we're connecting data so that we can provide data-informed analysis. Educators are able to then adapt their curriculums based on what they're seeing from their learners. And lastly, developing digitally connected platforms. So a number of different learning technologies, digitally based, that you can use to create blended learning experience for your learners rather than fully relying on those physical simulations. You can create additional opportunities for learning using digital very easily and tie the whole thing together into an ecosystem. We have a number of technologies where they can observe instructors, learn about physiology, and then go away and practice themselves in both self-directed learning approaches, but also have additional instructor-led training approaches as well. So there's lots of different ways of creating reflective learning experiences for different learners and letting them start at different points in the learning cycle. So we have a solution called CAE Maestro Evolve. This is a solution for instructor-led training. Much like instructors today operate our physical mannequins, Maestro Evolve offers a digital alternative with a virtual patient. They're able to control the patient in exactly the same way as they would a physical mannequin. They're able to engage either face-to-face with groups of learners or online, sharing links with learners where they can talk them through assessing a patient. They can control what's happening to that patient, such as lung sounds. They might ask their learners to auscultate lungs or heart. And then ultimately, they're creating an experience where they can put into practice the theory they've either learned in lecture sessions or creating digital opportunities for them to repeat physical simulations they may have performed with a mannequin. All bits of equipment that you can share with your learners. All you need to access Maestro Evolve is a web browser. An ideal solution if you are unable to release learners into physical simulation. Perhaps you're working in a hospital. We also have CAE Maestro Embody, similar to Maestro Evolve in that it operates with a virtual patient. However, with Embody, it's self-directed learning. 20 pieces of pre-configured content aimed primarily at nurses and junior doctors. They can assess a patient against a set of learning objectives. They can speak with and interact with the patient. And importantly, they can chart their findings. They're then assessed and those scores are stored within the learning management system of the organization. Likewise, we have larger solutions like CAE Learning Space, which is very much our crown jewel, our full center management system, if you wish to use it in that way. That's capturing all the data on performance of learners, what content's being used, all the tools needed for faculty to be able to create checklists to record how their learners are performing. And it's very much about bringing that data together into reports, taking the performance and looking at how curriculums can be updated based on the performance of those learners. It really is a full solution for managing your simulation center.